Do you want early access? Do you want uncut reactions? If so, then check out our Patreon. Link in the description down below. Our boy Denji about to become a man. Or not. I don't know. I mean, this is the same woman who, barfed in his mouth and, ugh. Still gives me, like, the heebie-jeebies thinking about it. I wonder what Makima thinks about all this. I wonder if she's just, like... I wonder if she's, like, putting on the facade, like, I don't care. I don't care what happens or what he does. Well, meanwhile, in the back of her mind, she's like, that bitch better fucking not. It's hard to get a read on that woman.
Yeah.
She's got, like, a very, like, just, deadpan face and deadpan reactions to everything. Also, apparently, she's a really good drinker. I wonder how she'd do against me. Because, I'll be honest, me and Nick are both, like, I would say you're, like, overall, I would say you're a little bit better of a drinker than I am. Because you're able to hold yourself in a better way. But the most I've ever done in one night is, like, more than 20 shots in one night. I think it's like 22 or 23 shots in one night. I wasn't sick the next morning, and I didn't have a hangover or anything. And my mom told me that she was like so freaking angry at me for not having a hangover. I'm like,
that would probably depend on what I was taking shots of.
Oh, hard liquor.
It'd have to be something low ABV for
that. Well, it was...
I'm pretty sure I took like probably 12 or 13 tequila shots on New Year's this past year.
That was about the same.
And I was out on the front porch like...
like, yeah, you were hulking.
I wasn't actually hurling, but like I was dry heaving like I was going to.
Yeah. I didn't hurl or anything that night. I took it all in stride. I stammered out to the car, got in, and they were driving me home, and Mom's just like, oh, you're going to regret this in the morning. You're going to regret this in the morning. Wake up the next morning, walk upstairs like, and Mom's just like, how are you not... I'm like, don't know. Anywho, hopefully Denji didn't party too hardy, and hopefully he will be able to...
I don't think he drank.
Well, I think, no, what I mean is him partying too hardy. He was, like, dead tired. Chainsaw Man. This is episode 8, Gunfire. Oh, boy. Wonder if the gun demon's gonna attack or something.
Don't know.
Don't know either. Only way we're gonna find out is if we... Oh.
Damn.
He's not that heavy, is he? Careful now, anime. Don't show too much. This man's got an editing job to do. Pretty cool first person view there.
No, it's a very bad idea.
And of course.
チュッパチャップス来たね。パーで酔い薬買ってきちゃった。寝る前に水と一緒に飲むこと。
クソみてえなファーストキスしちまいました。キスのたびにケロの味を思い出すのかな。
Indirect kiss.
ケロの味は忘れられないよ。でも大丈夫。デンジ君はこれから死ぬまでいろんな初めての味を体験する。ファースト関節キスはチュッパチャップスのコーラ味だね。
She just got too drunk and passed out.
お前も
That's how that goes a lot of times.
初めてはマキマさんがいいんだ。
Aiming
銃
pretty
の
high there,
悪魔
kid.
ぶっ殺すまで。人を見下ろしながら食う飯はうめえな。
デンジ君、昨日の夜私酔ってて何も覚えてないんだけど、乱暴なことされなかった？
誰がゲロ女とやっかよ。
普通この状況とか気まずくて帰ると思うんだけど。
はあ？ただ飯食えるのになんで帰るんだよ。
That's a
knows
fair
what's
point.
up.
私がデンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか。
マジ
マジマジ。デンジ君、私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないか。マキマさんとくっつける協力するからさ。私と
あいつんどこ好きなの？
顔。
あーいいぜ、乗った。同盟組もうぜ。
じゃあ今日から私たちは先輩後輩じゃなくて。
あと30分ですね。
じゃあ駅弁買っちゃおう。
1時に会食がありますよ。
ちゃんとそれまでにお腹空かせますよ。美味しかった。
Having kind of a bad feeling.
What's that?
Just she's on her own with some dude that's not really an important character right now. Headed away from everyone else, and the name of this episode is Gunfire.
Oh no.
So might be about to pull a bit of an attack on Titan and kill off a character we didn't expect to die this soon. Yeah. It's maybe not the Gun Devil, but...
Oh shit!
Oh, wow. Told you.
Damn, dude.
I don't know how I saw that coming, but somehow I saw that coming.
Maki, like, dude, that fucking sucks.
Yeah. Unless there's something, like, super special about her, like she has some kind of, pact with a devil that makes her unable to die from something like that.
Oh no. Random acts of violence. Guns. The fear of guns.
Oh, Jesus.
Damn, Granny. Granny packing heat.
俺のじいちゃんは世界一優しくてな。高い店でいいもん食わせてもらってな。正義のヤクザでさ。必要悪っていうのかな。じいちゃんみたいな人はさ、に好かれた江戸っ子仇のいい人だった。デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
Oh.
何のつもりだ、てめえ。
の心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
Oh. Pull the chain. Pull the chain. Oh shit.
口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。人でも悪魔でもない。
No,
what?
it's not over.
ああ、姫野先輩の
Somebody like Denji.
Yeah. Pull the cord.
そう。
Every time he's two, what's gonna happen when it reaches zero? Uh-oh.
Thought for a second it was counting years it was taking off of his life, but
There was a curse attached to the blade, and now it killed him.
銃を使っていやがった。日本では警察とデビルハンター以外入手は不可能なのに、姫野先輩の治療は。
呪いの悪魔。その持っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬみたいな感じか。
Ah, shit. She's able to heal him. Time to wait, Denji. Oh no. Oh!
shit.
ゴースト。
嫌だ、あの女恐ろしい。
Oh no.
私の全部をあげるからゴーストの全部使わせて。
Ooh.
アキ君は泣くことができる。でもアキ君はすぐ泣く。面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかは隠れて泣いていたから面白かった。嬉しいだろうな。
No.
She's gone after this.
I think so. I think she's gonna lose everything.
Just get on!
死なないでね。私が
She lost
死
the
んだ
leg.
時さ。
She lost the other one.
泣いてほしいから。
丸飲み。
She sacrificed herself for no reason.
帰れ。
There's nothing left of her. Man.
Wow.
Damn, dude. They're killing everybody.
The show went south fast.
You ain't kidding.
No wonder the previous episode was one of those,
Happy, funny.
happy-go-lucky, nothing bad happened episodes.
Damn, dude. I mean, if I were her, I would have immediately reached over and pulled Denji's cord and woke him up. Because he got
Might
shot
not
in
have
the...
worked where he lost blood, though.
Well, no, he got shot in the head. And
I think they're going to have to feed blood to him to wake him back up.
I don't know. Well, I don't think they needed to do that because I remember when he was fighting that Eternity Demon, it looked like he got his neck broke. And then she pulled the cord and it basically, like, resurrected him to a certain degree. That's what I think, anyway. I mean, I don't know. I mean, fuck, dude. They're killing everybody in this show, and that sucks.
Yeah.
Because I was really starting to like these characters.
Yeah, they kind of pulled, like, a harder Attack on Titan with it.
Yeah, they did, and I'm wondering how the hell this is gonna go because Makima's down.
It's literally
Himiko's
Denji, Power,
down.
and Aki are going to be the only ones left, I think.
Yeah, I mean,
So they even killed Kobeni and what's his face that were with him in the hotel.
Yeah. God, dude, this.
I don't know what's going on, but they did something to piss off their own people.
Yeah. I mean, I guess maybe them looking for the Gun Devil. Maybe the Gun Devil knows that they're looking for them and is trying to take them out.
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't either. This is a whole nother level of just like messed up right here. So, anyway, I don't know what else to say, y'all. Until next time, I'm Nate.
I'm Nick.
And this was Chainsaw Man, episode 8, Gunfire. I guess we'll see y'all then, and see you in the next one.